What? Is this your daughter?
Yes, she is, sir.
Oh.
Thank you, sir. Pastor, good morning, sir.
How are you, Sister Ruth?
I'm fine, thank you.
You are welcome. Come.
Yes, sir. Hey, Pastor, last night
Excuse
I couldn't...
me, Sister Ruth. Let me attend to them and I'll pay attention to you.
Okay, sir.
God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Daddy, things are not been going well lately, sir. I usually have those dreams of losing my shoes, my bag, and even going barefooted.
That's not a good one. You need to pray over your marriage and against the spirit of setback. There is this spirit of emptiness around you.
Thank you, sir. But sir, I don't have any prayer points to that effect.
Okay, give me some seconds.
Alright, thank you.
Have this prayer. Shall we pray them?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Mommy, I want to take us to something.
No, people are waiting. There's
Mr. Angela, please let her talk to you.
Thank you, sir.
Pastor, please pray for me so that I can become a smart woman. Mommy said that God can do all things.
Why do you want to become a smartphone?
My daddy and this my mommy, they don't have time for me and my sister. Every time they're always on Facebook, WhatsApp and Google. If I become a smart woman, my mommy will be giving me attention. This prayer point to give to my mommy now. She won't pray it, so she'll be pressing her phone and smiling.
That's interesting. Sister Angela, there is a need to pay close attention to your spiritual life and to your children. These smart devices are just some tools and weapons that the enemy uses to distract the children of God. So you must be wary of that. So I want you to pay close attention to your spiritual life and to your children. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Pastor.
Next patient, please.
Good afternoon, doctor.
How are you?
I'm very fine, sir.
Please have your seat. What is wrong with you?
Doctor, I just woke up this morning and I saw the legs started paining me.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Let me see.
No,
Sorry. I'm sure you stepped on something. But don't worry.
Doctor, please help me with my leg. It's paining me.
You have to run an X-ray.
Doctor, please help me with my leg.
Don't worry,
My
you'll
leg,
be fine.
oh.
Go and do this X-ray and come back with the results.
Yes, sir.
You'll be fine. The results.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Take it easy. You'll be fine.
Thank you, sir.
Take it easy. Easy. Next patient, please.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
What is wrong with you?
Cough, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Your tongue. Okay. Breathe in, out. In, out. Okay, don't worry. You have to run some tests. You'll be fine, okay?
Yes, sir.
Please go and run some tests and let's be sure what is wrong with your system.
Yes, sir.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm not fine, sir. My leg is
Please have your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Have you done the X-ray?
Yes, sir.
Like I said earlier, symptoms of poison.
I reject it, I reject it, Doctor.
But don't worry, you'll be fine. Let me prescribe some drugs for you.
Please, Doctor.